Well, hello and good morning. It's me, Julia Marie. Remember, with me, you can be stress-free. And today we're going to give ourselves a topical herbal, fruity style. You see this? This is a mixture of green tea, tapioca, oatmeal, and fruits. And the green tea is matcha collagen mix, so I'm trying to upgrade fruites. And we are using alkaline water. Ooh. It's really going to benefit not just tap water on our face, but alkaline. So, let's do this. Mix up the powder, making the paste. Gonna smear it on my face. Look at that. It's green tea. It's liquid. Liquid.